Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techline. Today I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brush size and hardness. Just simply head over to the brush icon or press B on your keyboard. Normally to change the size and hardness you have to click this top section and manually change the size and hardness. Sometimes it can be very tiring, but there is an easy way. Choose any brush and hold Alt in your keyboard. And keep pressing right click, and if you go to the right side you can see the brush is getting bigger, and if you go to the opposite side left the brush will get smaller. Now we will do the same thing. We will press Alt and this time we will go upwards. If you go upwards the hardness will be softened, and if we go downwards the hardness will be harder. This will save you a lot of time and you can easily paint more. So it was a very quick and easy tutorial. I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching.